Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, and you can see some more developments and some breaking news here. 3 Arrows founder in hiding, Voyager unknown, unknown. Get your blah 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 blah. Investigation into the story flying under the radar of today's crypto news. Crypto turmoil. Shu Zhu and Kyle Davis, the founders of troubled crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital, 3AC, might have fled Singapore, where a lot of crypto people are, because Singapore is very crypto friendly along with Dubai, and their whereabouts are unknown. Bloomberg reported, citing a bankruptcy filing at 3 Arrows. The filing in the United States Bankruptcy Court, Southern District of New York, also stated that 3 Arrows managed USD $3 billion in digital assets as of April 2022, right? And now they're going gone. They're hitting the AWOL because they know they're going to end up in jail, right? Singapore-based troubled crypto lender Vald said their legal counsel has filed an application in the Singapore court on behalf of DeFi Payment Pte Ltd, a Singapore entity of valid, to seek a moratorium order under Section 64 of the Insolvency Restructuring and Dissolution Act of 2018. Blah, brain's not working today. Prohibited for the period of 6 months, right? They're looking for a temporary halt probably on their assets being called. And this is a big thing. And this is just more breaking news. What's going on to 3 Arrows Capital? Seems the head people seem to have fled Singapore and are in hiding now. And Voyager's case, they're filing for a temporary halt on their insolvency, right? This is getting worse and worse by the day, and it's more and more downward pressure on crypto, right? And that's breaking news that the 3 Arrows Capital, they're seeking hiding. And then another breaking news, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, they're trying to get an ETF. Grayscale says it will be heading to court after a spot Bitcoin ETF application was denied. Grayscale legal team hints that the legal battle with the SEC could take anywhere from 12 to 24 months. That's not really a legal win. Anybody has the right to take to appeal to a court, right? So that's not really a win. That, to me, this is just a lot of noise. A win would be if they win the case. Right now, they're just trying to bring it to the courts, but I think they're going to get struck down by the courts. But we'll see how that plays out in the next year. But still, the Bitcoin price, if we go to current price, we're getting bounced off the bottom part of the support zone, which is becoming tighter and tighter. And if you keep trading up, you could trade up to this upper resistance that you've been in. Resistance, support, come back up to resistance. Even if you come up here, I still think you're coming back down to retest that 19,820 to 19,1883. But if you continue in this formation down, I would then expect to break out to the upside to hit a targeted move, right? Unless you have a catastrophic flush back down into this old falling channel that we were in, right? If you look at what's going on here, this falling channel, see that? I mean, you could put the lines up and say it's more of a rising channel, but to me, it's still a falling channel until we see otherwise. It just seems like it is. It fits better, and that's what I'm thinking it still is. Oops, let's get that out of the way. I'm still thinking this is a falling channel like we've had, and we're going to continue to watch out for that to see what's going on as I deal with these mass payroll issues. We look at Cardano, you can see we got rejected and actually had a big rejection off of this upper resistance, and now we're back at support, and this is a critical area for Cardano. It's initially got a nice hop up again on support, and maybe you can try to play like Bitcoin and make another run up to that upper resistance at about 46 cents. I gotta go take care of this payroll, see what's going on. We'll give you some more updates. Peace and love.